Stay here and get some sunshine, little plant. I'm going to see the spring chicken.
Shh! Quiet down, everyone. Let's see what the spring chicken has to say. What's that? Oh, I see. Oh, dear. Ladies and gentlemen, the spring chicken has just informed me that to make sure it's spring, she would like to see a flower. Does anyone have a pretty spring flower? If the spring chicken doesn't see a flower, it won't be spring.
Oh no! Then it won't get warm outside. We won't be able to play in the grass, or ride bikes, or fly kites.
We need a flower. Does anyone see a flower?